In the previous videos, we discovered elements of graphical analysis such as continuation and reversal patterns. Also, you saw that with the help of the Pattern Graphix plugin, their identification becomes much easier, so you do not need to monitor the market situation for hours seeking a good entry. Pattern Graphix will do everything for you. In this video, we will review other crucial elements of graphical analysis. These are support and resistance lines, trend channels, and Fibo levels. Trend channels. A trend channel is quite important for both market participants trading on small time frames and for those preferring long-term investments. A correctly determined trend channel enables a trader to estimate expected boundaries of a price movement and therefore the key points of trend changes. A channel represents two parallel lines drawn through three price extremes. The lower border of a bullish channel runs through two lower extremes, while the upper line of a bearish channel runs through two higher extremes. Notice that the longer a channel exists, the more market participants can identify it and enter from the borders of the established price range. In this case, enter the market carefully and place stop orders beyond the channel range. You should do so because majority of traders also put stop orders near the borders. When these borders get breached, an uncontrollable price movement sweeps away all orders. Pattern Graphix identifies and builds channels right at the moment they are formed. As a result, you have an opportunity to enter the market when a price is the best. While other traders are only trying to identify a price movement structure, with the use of Pattern Graphix, you would have already gained profits from retracements near the upper and lower channel borders. The following break of the upper border leads to another price fluctuation. As a result, your deals with short stops bring considerable profits. Pattern Graphix also deals well with identification of levels upon touching which the price may reverse. These technical analysis instruments include support and resistance levels and Fibonacci grid. To simplify visual perception, support levels are colored green and resistance levels red. If you want to change standard settings, you can do it in the Levels and Channels tab. Click the Customize button and choose colors to suit your requirements. Pattern Graphix finds support and resistance levels through a method based on principles of volume trading. Taking into account that MT4 platform excludes information about the volume of real deals on Forex, maximum volumes are calculated indirectly. The maximum volume is considered to be the level at which a price has stayed for the longest time. On a chart, it looks like accumulation of bars in one place. For example, let's take a look at the chart of the euro-dollar pair. Our plugin has identified the nearest levels of support and resistance. When the price touched the resistance level, it successfully rebounded to the support level. This confirms the correct setting of the key levels by the Pattern Graphix plugin. In the plugin, you can also find one of the popular technical analysis instruments, the Fibonacci grid. As you know, price movements look like a zigzag. A trend is followed by a correction. Using Fibo levels, you can calculate the key levels of retracements. As a rule, the Fibo levels of 38.2, 50 and 61.8% are considered to be the strongest. For instance, the pound-dollar pair corrected by 38.2% after starting a downward trend in July 2014. After this level was successfully tested, the price resumed its prevailing trend. The following correction was also 38.2%. Pattern Graphix builds Fibonacci grids timely and precisely. As a result, you can clearly see the levels from which a price can resume its initial movement. Key support and resistance levels, trend channels and Fibo levels help you to forecast further price dynamic. However, to succeed, you need to use all the instruments available in Pattern Graphix. In the next video, you will learn how to adjust notification settings in order to receive up-to-date trading signals.